and welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will take you through the application process of NID DAT 2022. The application form of the NID Design Aptitude Test was released on October 5, 2021. All the interested and eligible candidates can visit the official website of NID and submit the application form before the deadline, that is November 30. Candidates also have an option to pay the late fee and register until December 5, 2021. Before going deeper into the application process, let us first understand how to apply for NID DAT 2022. There are 4 steps to ensure a complete and successful application process of NID DAT. Step 1 is to register or sign up. Visit the official website of NID DAT and click on Sign Up. Enter the important details such as program of study, nationality, category, date of birth, full name, gender, valid email address, alternate email ID and mobile number. Mention any relative or acquaintance working in NID and how you got to know about admission at NID. Further, create a unique password and tick the declaration checkbox. Step 2 is to verify registration. After entering all the aforementioned details, students must select the Get OTP option. Students will receive a one-time password on their registered email and mobile number. Enter the OTP on the official website and verify the registration. Step 3 is to fill in personal and academic details. Once the registration is verified, candidates will have to visit the official website again and click on the login option. They need to enter their email address, date of birth and password and select the submit button. Enter all the required personal and academic details carefully and correctly. Click on save and proceed and you will be directed to the next step, which is uploading the document. Step 4 is to upload required documents. Candidates need to upload all the required documents following the file format and the file size specified by NID. The list of the required documents will be discussed ahead in this video. Click Save and Proceed to go to the next section to pay the application fee. Step 5 is the payment of the application fee of NID DAT. Before application fee payment, candidates will be asked to verify all the entered details and make changes if required. The fee for the application will either be paid through debit or credit card. Students will be directed to the payment gateway to make the fee payment. After the payment is successful, candidates will be redirected to the print section where they can save and print a copy of the application form, which will be required further in the admission process of NID. The set of documents that need to be uploaded on the application form of NID DAT are different for each category except for photograph and signature, which are common for all aspirants. A colored and scanned copy of a recently clicked passport size photo needs to be uploaded on the application form. It must be taken at a professional studio and must be in JPG or JPEG format. The minimum file size must be 75 KB and the maximum file size must be 100 KB. A copy of the scanned signature of the candidate must also be uploaded in JPG or JPEG format. The minimum file size must be 75 KB and the maximum file size must be 100 KB. The signature should be digitally photographed or scanned and cropped to the required size. The certificate must be in JPG or JPEG format and the file size must be between 75 KB to 150 KB. A category-wise checklist of documents that need to be uploaded on the registration form of NID DAT has been displayed on the screen. Candidates must keep these documents ready for a hassle-free application process. The application fee in NID DAT is different for each category. General EWS and OBC NCL category candidates are required to pay Rs 3,000, while SC, ST, General PWD, General EWS PWD, OBC NCL PWD, SC PWD, ST PWD category candidates have to pay Rs 1,500 as registration fee. Overseas applicants are required to pay Rs 5,000 as the registration fee. Students must know that if the application form is submitted after the deadline, the registration fee will be double the amount indicated on the screen. The application correction window of NID DAT will be activated from December 6, 2021 to December 13, 2021. Students can visit the official website and modify the details filled in the application form. They can edit all the details except the program applied in, name of the candidate, category, date of birth, registered mobile number and registered email ID. This was all about the NID DAT application process. For more such informative videos on design entrance exam, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.